Now we've covered our baseball cap cake with some nice blue fondant. We're going to finish it off by giving it some decorations. Now you can decorate your baseball cap any way you'd like. I'm going to make some lines across the baseball cap. So I'm going to start at the center and go straight across. And I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to try to get it right in the center. And I'm going to impression it right across the middle. And then I'm going to take this tool that has just a little ribbony and I'm going to go over it so I can give it a little pattern. And then I'm going to do another line towards the back and 2 more lines down the front. This way we'll leave a little room in the front so we can add a name. Then I'm going to go over it with this. And now what we want to do is create a little ball for the top. So we're just going to take a little blue fondant. I'm going to give it a little roll. And you can just roll it into a ball right in the palm of your hands. And then you're just going to press it in. Round it out just a little bit. And that's going to be the center. And you're just going to add a little water. And we'll just apply that. And that's going to be the center of our baseball cap. So we'll finish it up by giving it a name on the front and a nice brim on the bottom.